listen to we knock it down, so turn the volume loud. Cause it's spitting to the ears when baby make just like cake. Better let yourself go, let yourself go. I say it before we kick the bucket. Life's too short.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So first off, I want to explain something. If the setup on my tripod looks a little bit different, like the position of the camera is in a different spot, my tripod head is basically broken at this point. It can only stand in a different angle where it's not also straight. Like if I have it at the straight angle, the tripod head would fall. Like, let me show you guys what I mean. So watch, as you can see, it's not in the straight position. So straight position would be right here, but watch. Yeah, this thing is broken and I'm kind of pissed off. So yeah, I'll hopefully buy a new tripod with my YouTube money, which hopefully it shouldn't be too long before we get it, or before I get it, because my dad was trying to check for his bank account settings yesterday. He said he was gonna try to find it maybe today, so I don't know. Hopefully once the month of September starts, I can get my first paycheck. Anyways, today we're going to be doing a drop test of the Amazon Kindle Fire 5. So actually I already did a tech review on this device, if you want to check it out. Literally that was my last video I posted, which was on Thursday. So this is going to be kind of similar to the last drop test I did with the Galaxy Tab 3, but this time I'm out here where there's a lot more hard concrete where I could possibly break it more easily with drops. And I'm gonna fix some things that I didn't really do well in my Galaxy Tab 3 drop test. For one, the slow motion camera that I recorded with on my phone was kind of too close, and it didn't really get the angle of me dropping the device from the floor. So you kind of saw it just fall, but you didn't really see it so well touching the ground. So I did the 10-foot drop. And also the next thing, the 10-foot drop. My iPad that I had recording, it wasn't so high, so it actually was not really much of a 10-foot drop. So hopefully I'm gonna try to improve that and make it better. And yeah, I'll show you guys the setup and how I'm going to be doing this. So of course my camera will be recording from here, and over here right next to this tripod is where I'll have the slow motion. I'll be standing around there to drop it. And over here I have my iPad 2nd generation that I'll be using to record for dropping it at 10 foot, even though this has a pretty horrible camera. Oh well. So you guys won't be able to see my face so well when I'm dropping the tablet, just because since the tripod head's kind of broken. So you will just basically see partial part of my body and then my legs and that kind of stuff when I'm dropping it. But once I drop it, I will take the camera off the tripod, just so we can see closer results of it. Because last time I kind of spoiled, I was trying to not see the result that happened or the impact, but I did kind of spoil it. So this time I'm gonna do it different, and I will take the camera off the tripod once I finish dropping it. So we will be doing the same drops we did last time: waist height, head height, and a 10-foot drop. Well, but this depends how far till this thing cracks or breaks or whatever. And we'll do from the side first, back, and then face down. So yeah, let's get this drop test started. Okay, so I know you guys can't see my face, but again, I'm just working with what I have here right now. With my tripod head isn't working all the way correctly. So yeah, we'll buy a new tripod soon, hopefully. But anyways, you know how we usually start the drops. I mean, like the last one, we're gonna do the usual, the waist height first and then head height. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can do it well for the head height. I've also set the tripod, but this is how I'm gonna be working with for now. So first we're gonna do waist height on the side first. So here we go. In 3, and this is hard concrete, by the way, so it's more harder than the last material I did. So this isn't gonna come out good. So 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Okay, hit the side, then it landed on the face, so oh, we're good. Oh, but I think it's popping out a little bit, I think. Is it? Yeah, frames popped out, and we're golden. It works just fine. Oh, except the micro SD thing kind of came out. So yeah, alright, now we're gonna do the next drop on the back. So I'm getting bit by mosquitoes because I forgot to put on bug spray. But I'm going to back up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see me well. This is just the angle I'm working with right now. So now we're going to do it on the back. So waist height on the back. Let's see, this is not gonna come out good. 3, 2, 1. That sounded really bad. So luckily it didn't crack. Yeah, we're golden. It's working just fine. Now I don't know if the camera lens. No, it's not matte glass. Is this working? Yep. Yep, perfectly. So let's do face down. I don't have hopes for this at all. This type of this type of surface, it's gonna easily crack. I'm telling you. All right, so on this type of surface, I don't have high hopes. This is gonna crack, without a doubt. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. So it wasn't a straight face down. It kind of hit the side first. Ooh, we got a nasty scuff mark here. I think it survived. No way! It survived. And the display still works, but look at that. We got a nasty dent. So, oh my gosh. Wow, I cannot believe this actually survived a face down on this type of surface. Wow. I'm impressed. And the fact that the digitizer still works. Oh yeah, okay. It does. It was glitching a little bit, but yeah. It still works. Holy crap. That is insane. The Galaxy Tab 3 literally died. Like, the digitizer stopped working, like, on the first drop, which was the waist high on the side, so I'm impressed. This thing is doing very well. But can it withstand head height? Let's find out. Okay, so maybe I should have actually extended my tripod kind of like this, so you guys could actually see my face. But now we're going to do head height. I'm going to back up a little bit so you guys can probably see me better. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it drop it on the floor from the camera. I can't see the angle too well. I know you will be able to on the phone without a doubt. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to start with the head height on the side. I don't think this is going to turn out well at all, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot. Okay, so that didn't go the way I planned it. It kind of landed on the face. Oh, no. Oh, I'm a little disappointed. It's cracked. But it's not that bad. Does it work? Yeah, the digitizer works and everything. Yeah, and my dog's barking. But, oh my god. Okay, so it did shatter around here, but it still works. Oof. Look at this, the frame, what was a mosquito? The frame is actually coming out, and it's actually kind of bent. Oh, what the? Oh, okay. So, the frame's kind of bent. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so, definitely not bad for the impact it took, although it did crack, so. I'm a little disappointed, but it is still working, and it's still responsive. Actually, I want to see if the camera works. So hopefully I didn't break a connector in there, the camera. So let me see. Does the camera work? Yeah, it works. Okay. So that's always good to know. So now let's do on the back. So unfortunately, this thing didn't survive. It did crack. But although it is still working, and that's always good to know. So anyways, now we're gonna do on the back. So this is not gonna come out good. So I think the camera is a little kind of messy right now, so I'll hopefully fix that in the next angle. But here we go. This is gonna be bad. 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Oh man, I saw so many spiderweb cracks. That's it. This thing is done. So does it still work? Yeah. It is still working, but I feel like I'm gonna cut myself. The glass is chipping. Oh my god. So, oh shoot, yeah, I can feel it kind of splintering a little bit, and actually, I think it's a little bent, kind of, is it? Oh yeah, I think it is kind of towards like here. It's kind of warping. But oh my god, look at that. Although it is still working, so that's always a good sign. So, yeah. Alright, so, and let's do that face down. Okay, actually, I don't know if you guys are able to see my face very well. Probably not, but I really don't care because the camera's kind of, the tripod's kind of messed up. What? Okay, so that was some random speaker we have out here. It kind of just freaked me out. But yeah, let's do the next drop, which is, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Okay, I'm gonna ignore that. So here we go. Head height, face down. This is it. Who's gonna die? 3, 2, 1. Oh God! Oh man, this looks so bad. Look at that. Does this still work? Oh, oh my God, it's still alive. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. I didn't open that. Oh no. Okay. So I am having some display issues. I'm having touch issues right now, as you guys go. Look at that. The display is freaking out right now. Oh my God. I have never seen this. Oh my God. So it works still, but that's it. The digitizer is done. Oh my God. Wow. Oh God, look. It's popping out. But can I pop it back in? Yeah. Okay. So I am able to pop it back, and the digitizer slightly works, but that's it. So I think it is pretty durable, at least compared to the Galaxy Tab 3. I mean, it's durable to the point where it's not. You know, that one crack would eventually just destroy it. But alright, let's do the 10-foot drop and see how that's gonna fare. Okay, so my way of doing the 10-foot drop test, or the 10-foot drop, is I'll be standing on top of here. And the last time, the way I kind of did it to drop the tablet was that I was actually kind of recording, I actually kind of dropped it from my chest while standing on my bed. This time I'm going to try to go all the way up to my head and try to drop it to make it more accurate of a 10-foot drop test. So we're going to do 10 foot on the side first. My iPad recording this, even though the camera sucks, but who cares? So somewhere up around here, I think it'll do well. So here we go, 10 feet on the side. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. 1. Oh my God. Saw a bunch of dust flying in through here. And, oh my God, look at that. How's the back doing? Just full of dirt and scratches. Does it work though? Oh, I see more cracks here. Yes! Oh my God! Believe it or not, this thing is still working. Oh, cannot use your... Wow, okay. This is still alive somehow, which I'm quite surprised. Wow, this thing is really taking an impact for sure. Alright, now we're gonna do 10 feet on the back. So, I was rewatching the footage I took on my iPad. I didn't get the drop all close correctly on the iPad. So we're gonna try to see if I can get a good angle now this time. So, here we go, I'll say about here. So, here we go, 10 feet on the back. 3, 2, 1. Oh God. 1. Oh God. So, it's receiving a lot of dirt and scuff marks. This keeps popping out. Oh God. Look at that. Oh shoot, you can actually kind of start to see the internals a little bit right here. Does it turn on? Yes! Oh my God, this still works! But, you know, I am having touch display issues. So, let's do the last drop, 10 feet face down, and see if the display will completely turn off. It's completely cracked, but I just want to see what it will take to completely turn off the display. Alright, the final drop. 10 feet face down. This is gonna be bad. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh God! 1. Oh God! Oh my God, I have never seen this before. Is this the actual... Oh God! Wow, the actual frame literally popped out. Oh God. I mean, can I put it back in? I think I might be able to. Oh, I have never seen this. Okay, so I can pop it back. Okay. Wow, I've never seen this. Does it work? What? How? There's no way. There's no way. This thing is still alive. Oh, actually, it's kind of caved in a little bit. Wow. Oh my God. Well, oh shoot. I got that powered off. But look at that. Can't pop this. Oh, no, I can. Wow. So it works still, but... Oh. Okay. So it says that it does not recognize Wi-Fi, so I think we destroyed the Wi-Fi the connection for the Wi-Fi. So yeah, that is it. So it is kind of durable to the point where it really isn't. So the digitizer kind of stopped responding around the head, around the face down. But overall, it did very well, and I actually want to try to perform a bend test and see if I can actually try to bend this. You know, I don't have the strongest hands, but I just want to see. I don't see any point of failures where it could be kind of make the frame a little weak, except for here. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do. So again, I don't have the strongest hands, but I want to see if I can possibly attempt to bend the device and see like where is there any failure points in the frame. Now I've never actually done this. I'm kind of excited but nervous. So there is a ton of glass chipping. I don't really have gloves with me to try to, you know, to actually, you know, protect my hands. So if I get cut, I'm doing this for you guys. So here we go. Just give a like to all the hard effort I'm doing. Oh man, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's not easy. So there is a curve. I don't know if you guys can see. I can't do much. Oh, so it is kind of popping out here, but so try again. Yeah, since the screen is cracked, it makes it a little more easy to kind of bend. Okay, let's try the other way around. Okay, I hear the glass noises, but okay. Oh, okay, I heard a crack. We don't know what just happened, but I heard it. Oh shoot. Yeah, okay. I'm getting glass on my fingers, so let's see. Okay. Let me at least try on the side of the tape. Okay. So I tried all I could. I did hear a little crack. Okay. Luckily I didn't get no glass stuck to my fingers, but so this thing is hard to bend. It is easy though, as you guys can see there is like a little curve. And yeah, durability. Oh God, okay. Maybe that's what the crack was. Look. Oh my God. So that's it. This thing is toast. So you can see, that's it. So yeah. Oh wait, let's say see it. There we go, guys. My job here is done, and this is where I'm going to finish off the video. So this video was a lot of fun, not gonna lie. And you know, hopefully maybe if I have some old broken tech that I don't really, or any worthless technology I don't need, maybe I could do more videos like this. But this was really fun to make. So this is gonna be a long video. It's gonna take me a while to edit. I don't think it'll be too long, but yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys really like this video, I'll follow through all the effort I put, then consider giving the video a like. And yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.